Hello, my name is Ashwini Kshatriya. Today we learned 1.2 warm up with Tara and friends. Class 7th, first day of school. Here is Tara and her friends. Tara said, "Hi Pitu, hi Padu, hi Cuckoo. I am so excited about starting studies again." Paddy said, "Oh no, holidays are over. More play on the school ground. She's happy." And Cuckoo said, "Hi Tara, I'm excited too. I will see my friends." Here are their pets. Paddy's dog said, "I'm sad without Paddy." Catty said, "We are lucky we don't have school." And Parrot said, "Mia, you will never learn. If you don't go to school, then you will never learn." This is the one part of Tara and her friends' conversation. So you can also do your conversation with the help of these templates like hello, hi, I'm dash dash. You may complete this sentence with your own words. How was your journey to? How are you? It's nice to be back in school. Meet my friends dash dash and dash dash. We had so much fun together. We went to in the vacation. So nice to see you again. This is I spent my holidays at. How did you spend your holidays? I'm so glad to see you again. Or how was your holidays? I'm new here. My name is. What's your? We can conversation with these templates. Now here are some situations are given in this hat. So with the help of these situations we can do conversation. Here are some examples like, so we take one situation, asking a friend for his postal address. So how can we converse with our friend? Look at this. Hello Ramesh. Ramesh said, "Hi Deepa." Now Deepa said, "Where do you live in Nanded?" Ramesh said, "I live in Kabranagar, near Nagar." It is a simple conversation given here. Next conversation we will see. Asking a friend for his telephone number. How to ask his telephone number. Again, hello Ramesh. Hi Deepa. Would you like to give me your mobile number? Why not? Sure. It's 9420 It is a simple conversation. You may also do these types of conversation from these given situations in your textbook. Now, here are some friendly challenges. It's so simple. There are these are related to grammar. In present tense, how we can use a form of be with subjects. Here are subjects in singular form, in plural form. There are persons, first person, second person, and third person. We always use subjects in this form. First person singular subject is I. First person plural subject is we. Second person singular subject is you. Second person plural subject is you. Third person singular subjects are he, she, it, and third person plural subject is they. So in be form we use these forms of be in present tense. How can we use it? Like this: I am, we are, you are, he is, she is, it is, they are. We use be form in present tense in the sentence. Use be form in past tense. How can we use it? In first person singular, I was. First person plural, we were. First person singular, you were. First person plural, you were. Third person singular, he was, she was, it was, and third person plural, they were. It is they were. Do form, use of do in present tense. Singular person, first person singular, I do, and in negative form, I don't. In plural, we do, we don't. Second person singular form, you do, and negative form, you don't. Second person plural form, you do, and negative, you don't. Third person singular, he does in statement, and in negative form, he doesn't, means he does not. She does, she doesn't. It does, it doesn't. And in plural form, they do, they don't, they do not. Use of do in past tense. Person singular and plural form. First person singular, I did. In negative form, I didn't, means I did not. In plural form, we did, we didn't. Second person singular, you did, you didn't, means you did not. You did, you didn't. Third person singular, he did, he didn't. She did, she didn't. It did, it didn't. And in plural form, they did, they didn't, or they didn't, or they did not. For a friendly challenge, here is the use of have in present tense. Person, first person, second person, third person, singular form and plural form. First person singular, we use I have. In plural form, we have. Second person singular form, we use you have, and plural form, you have. Third person singular form, we use he has, she has, it has, and in plural form, they have. Use of have in here is a past tense. So use here first person singular form, I had. In plural form, we had. Second person singular form, you had, and in plural form, you had. Third person singular form, he had, she had, it had, and in plural form, they had. Now here is a verbs. How can we use verbs, or we write verbs, or we speak verbs in the sense of where we use simple tense, simple present tense, when we add yes to verbs. So where we add yes? In third person singular forms, just like given here, person singular and plural as usual. We see already in do form in present tense. So simple first person singular form, I do, means I like. We do, we like. You do or you like. You do or you like. So look at here. Here is the main part of this change. Third person singular form. Here is we can use also name, any noun, or a pronoun. He does means he likes. We add yes or yes in the form of does. she does, she likes. It does, it likes. And third person plural form we use just like do, we like, we speak like. Here is not addition of yes or es. Article a or an, where we use articles. So we add and this article which words are start with representing vowel sounds, means a, e, I, o, u, sometimes h or y, which are starts with these vowel sounds. We use and this article and as a prefix, means an apple, an ink pot, an ear, an hour, an ripe mango, an umbrella. These are some examples which words are starting with vowel sounds. We use and this article. We add a this article which words are starts with consonant sounds. Example, all sounds remaining vowels, means a mango which starts with yum, m. We use a this article. A red apple, a drop of milk, a parrot, a cup of tea, a table. Question raise. Here is also one very nice game given in our textbook. Who, where we can use who and why we can use who. If we want to ask about any relative person, we can use who. Example, who is your friend? Second one is what. When we can use what. If we want to ask about any noun, we can use what. Now there are so many types of nouns, means you know the definition of noun, the name of thing, place, any person's name, we can call it noun. Example, what is your name? Where. If we want to ask about place, we can use where. Example, where do you live? When. If we want to ask about time, we can use when. Example, when did you come? Why. If we want to ask about reason, we can use why. Example, why are you crying? Last one, how. If we want to ask about process or any measuring thing, we can use how. Example, how old are you? Second one is, there is a given some words, statements, or we can call it templates. Like when we do any statement, we can use these types of questions for confirmation our statement. Like, these are beautiful flowers. Aren't they beautiful? Second one is, Ramesh is a clever boy. Isn't he? Do your homework regularly, don't you? Seema speaks English fluently, doesn't she? We can win the match, can't we? You will be a future scientist, won't you? Thank you. In this way, we completed our grammar topic, means workshop place of first unit. Thank you.